Dear students, good evening. Today is the last class for the nomenclature, and today we are going to conclude this session as soon as possible. From tomorrow onwards, there is a preparation and properties section for the alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Okay, now we are going with a random round like ketones, oleic acid, and aldehydes. These are the main functional groups right now for this 10th class. Okay, so for this, actually the nomenclature of this compound, see, this is ketone group, and IUPAC nomenclature of the ketone is ONE. Okay, now here methyl group is there. This is called as dimethyl ketone. We can say dimethyl ketone, or we can say 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons is there. Propanone. This is called as, and second carbon is one compound. Ketone group at their second carbon. Now the number is 2 propanone, or you can say prop and 2-one. This is also a nomenclature. So they can ask in any side. So 2-propanone is also one name, and propan 2-one is also name, and dimethyl ketone is also a name. So you can prepare. You should prepare with a both side. So there is a different type of nomenclature. Here you can say this is ethyl group and this is methyl group. It may be like ethyl methyl ketone. Okay, this is completely 4 carbons. This is mother chain is like this. Okay, so 4 carbons means bute, N, 2, 1, butanone, because we have already discussed, हम लोग पहले से बात किया हुआ है, जिस तरफ से गिनने पर जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप को सबसे कम नंबर आएगा उस तरफ से हम लोगों को गिनती चालू करना है. The way in which side we will count the minimum number will come to the functional group is the right numbering. This is the mother group and this is second number from this side. 1, 2, 3, this is 3 number. Hence it is not proper. Then it is better to have numbering 1, 2, 2. So you can say 2 butanone, 2 butanone. Okay. Similarly, you can say like this, like here also. How many carbons at here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. So pentanone. This is called as at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 carbon. 3-one. Pentanone. Or you can say ethyl group. Diethyl ketone, or 3-propanone, 3-pentanone. So these are the different type of nomenclature for the ketone, and there is plenty. We can go up to the didecane, means didecyl ketone. We can go up to that level, but that's not required here. Please go and please arrange yourself some of the example and go with the, try to have it their nomenclature. It will give you good idea. Now we will go for the oleic acid. See, oleic acid this is the king of compound, king of the organic group, oleic acid. It is always appears in the first place. It will never go into the second place. So oleic acid, there is no need to give any numbering for the oleic acid. Just understand, this is very important. No numbering required. for oic acid as well as the aldehyde. No numbering is required. Automatically these groups will appear at the first carbon. Okay, this is called as meth and oic acid. One methane and oic acid, methanoic acid. So this is very simple. Okay, that is our perception. Methanoic acid is our perception, but it has two carbons at here, and this is called as ethanoic acid, and here it is propanoic acid. 3 carbons, 1 2 3, propanoic acid, N-oic acid, propanoic acid. Here 1 2 3 4 carbons are there. But N-oic acid, butanoic acid. Here 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are there. So that is pent N-oic acid. There is no numbering required at here. You will not found any numbering in the aldehydes and oic acid. Similarly here also, if only one hydrogen, it is a relation with the one hydrogen, that is called as formaldehyde. Here 2 carbons are there. Ethanol. Ethanol. Okay, this is propanol, and here there is 4 carbons are there. Butanol. This is a common nomenclature for the functional groups. Now we will go for the halogens. Halogens are there. You see, there is so many halogens are there. 7 halogens is there. Now we are just taking 1 or 2 examples like chlorine, bromine, iodine. As we all know that chlorine means in the IUPAC nomenclature it is a chloro. Bromine means it is a bromo. Iodine means it is a iodo. Like that. Nomenclature will always gives a short form. So here it is chloromethane. Or methyl chloride. But as we have told already, as I have told you already, chloro is the IUPAC name. Chloro is the IUPAC name. So the IUPAC name of the CH3Cl is chloromethane is right. Don't be confused. Chloromethane is the right. Here it is second one 1-chloroethane. Here in the halogens, the group functional group will comes in the name of the functional group will come in the early. शुरुआत में आ जाएंगे, उसका नेम जो भी शुरुआत में आ जाएंगे, उसके बाद चेन हाइड्रोकार्बन ग्रुप आएंगे. ओके, हियर प्लीज सी CH3 CH के ऊपर में Cl है, CH2 CH3. So the functional group at here you will found at here in the second carbon. If you are counting from here 1 2 3 4, third carbon. If you count from here 1 2 3 4. So whichever is the lowest numbering is numbering towards the functional group is the right numbering. So this is, so always do numbering. This is a healthy habit at this level. So in 2 there is a chlorine, 2-chlorobutane. 2-chlorobutane. Here 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. Either side it will come at a 3 carbon. So 3-chloropentane. 3-chloropentane. you can see like this. Okay, I'm just going some more extension. If you have a compound like CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH, CH3, Cl, like this. So then how you will give a nomenclature to this compound? This is very important. How you will give a nomenclature to this compound? So we have to give, see here, different number will come at here. Chlorine have one number and double bond has double bond have some more number. So both have different numbers. If you count 1, 2, 3, third carbon has double bond, second carbon has chlorine. If you count from here 1, 2, second carbon has double bond and fourth carbon has chlorine. So at this condition you have to give least numbering to the functional group, not for the double bond. Double bond will comes later. So functional group. So here functional group here. This is chlorine has it at here. So functional group. So we have to give least number. We have to give priority to the functional group. Hence the numbering will come from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. जहाँ पर functional group है उसको ही पहले priority दिया जाएगा इसमें. तो जहाँ पर functional group है, जहाँ पर उसका फंक्शन अलग ग्रुप है उसका, ये ग्रुप को सबसे कम नंबर आने के लिए हम लोगों को नंबरिंग देना ही सही होता है, ना कि डबल बॉन्ड को इसमें ध्यान देने की जरूरत नहीं है. पर वंस नंबरिंग देने के बाद जहां नॉमेनक्लेचर लिखेंगे वहां हम लोगों को ये भी देखना पड़ेंगे डबल बॉन्ड कहाँ है, वो दिखाना पड़ेगा. हम लोग वी हैव टू टेल वेयर डबल बॉन्ड, वेयर क्लोरीन इज देयर. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू राइट 2 chloro pent 3-ene. 2 chloro pent 3-ene. The name, IUPAC name of this compound is 2 chloro pent 3-ene. Okay. If the compound is, see, this was appeared in a competitive exam. If the compound is like that, CH2, Cn and Cn, then what is the name of this compound? This is carbon, 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 4 carbon, nitrogen, nitrogen. So if you take numbering like this 1, 2, 3, 4, the naming of this compound is 1,4-dinitrobutane. Butane. This is a competitive question actually. 1,4-dinitrobutane. Okay, I think you got somehow some of the clarity. Now we are going for the bromo. So here CH3Br, bromomethane. The IUPAC nomenclature is bromomethane. Here bromoethane, bromine group, and CH3CH2, ethane. Similarly, here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons is there. At the second carbon, it has bromine group. 2 bromobutane. 2 bromobutane. Similarly at here 5, either side you will get a similar numbering, hence it is 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. So 3 bromopentane, 2 bromopentane. In some cases they may ask a question like that, okay, like I am going to give you CH3, CH, CH2, CH, CH3, Cl, here it is Br. So you can ask me, sir, what is the numbering for this actually? Please take either number. Both are equal groups. Bromine and chlorine are equal groups. These have the halogens. These have the equal priority. You can take equal, means you can take numbering from any side. So if you can take numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to like take like numbering like this actually. So you can write 2 bromo, 4 chloro, pentane. 2 bromo, 4 chloro, pentane. Sometimes similar groups may come. Like I'm just giving the final example. CH3, CH, CH2, chlorine group. Here also chlorine group. Both are equal groups. Okay. Now you can take numbering from either side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at here 2, 4 dichloro 5 pentane. 2, 4 dichloro pentane. So friends, students, that's all for the day. Tomorrow we are going for the preparation and properties of the alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. That's all. Thank you.